Adrian Gomez, and as requested by somebody in the forums, I'm going to show you how to do quick username and password login. So the first thing you're going to go into is your MongoDB under Realm, Functions, and you're going to click on Create a New Function. And then once the function download box or editor comes up, you're going to go to this just URL, which I'll include in the description of the video, and you're going to copy and paste this into the function. And then just going to save it and click on the button that says here deploy. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to go into your Atlas database, and I have it under the game collection. And we're going to, I already created one. So here are the documents that I have under game. And I created one called login. And as you can see, it has Adrian Gomez and password. So I'm going to show you how to create that. You're going to create a new document. So you're going to say insert document. You have to name it login for my script to work. So I'm going to say name for the property and login. And then we're going to hit the plus sign here. And we're going to add a field name after. And I think I named it users. I think you have to name a user for it to work. And we're going to make it of a type array. So a type object, sorry. And then for the name of the object or the key of the object, you're going to put the username. I think I have Adrian Gomez, and the password, which I have password. You're going to click insert. And I think there's two of them now, so I'm going to delete one of them. And so you see I have Adrian Gomez and the password is password. Now that you have the document and you have your function, you're going to go back into your function and click on HTTP endpoint, and you're going to add an endpoint. And I already add that, and as you can see, it's a post. So if we go in here, you just provide the name that you want for the endpoint, copy and paste the login, because you're going to use it on the GameSalad side. Select post, no additional authorization, and that's basically it. So now on the GameSalad side, I created a button called login, and let's go and see what that button looks like. And basically, we are going to send table. I'm sending a blank table, and we're going to login response into this attribute. And if you look at the URL, I have Adrian Gomez, and the password is password. So this is the URL that I got from the endpoint. Question mark, username, password. And then if we see it here, I'm going to refresh this. The variable that sends the request has a 0. And if I try to log in, returns a 1. I'm going to change the password to something that is incorrect. Fish. Now if I try to log in with Adrian Gomez and fish, I get a -1. If I try to log in with something that isn't my username, um, it also fails. Let me change the password to something else. A couple things I wanted to show you here. You can hit on the edit button, and so I can make the password fish. If you need to add another user to this, uh, then hit the edit button, click on the plus sign, add a field under Adrian. Uh, my brother's name is Adolfo. And I'm gonna name him, make his password 12345, update. And now if I go back to the editor, he should be able to log in also. And there he is. Hopefully this was short and sweet. If you have any questions or comments, please reply back in the forums. If you want to see anything else, again, please reply in the forums. Have a great day.